After I've identified the market I want to serve, I ask myself a few questions to make sure that that particular market will be able to sustain my new expert business. Question number 1, would people in the submarket be excited about the new opportunity that I'm presenting in my niche? Question number 2, are the people in this market irrationally passionate? Here are some of the things I look for to determine if my market is irrationally passionate. First, are there online forums and message boards and social groups dedicated to this topic? Second, does the market have its own special language? Third, does this market have its own events? Fourth, does this market have its own celebrities and gurus? You don't want to be the first celebrity in a market. Question number 3, are people willing and able to spend money on information? Sometimes people are willing to spend money, but they aren't able. They are broke. Other times people have all the money in the world. They're able, but they're not willing to part with a dime. Your submarket must be both willing and able to spend money. Go through these questions as many times as you need in order to find the best market for you. I don't want you to waste any time, energy, or money going after the wrong niche if people in your submarkets aren't likely to follow you.